So I'm inside the MetaTrader app, and I really wanted to make sure to share this with as many people as I can, because today I've made a profit of £10.22, daily profit, that is. And I know this probably doesn't sound very exciting to anyone who's watching, but it is actually extremely exciting. I know I don't sound excited because I'm extremely tired, but I had to make sure to share this, because the first reason why this is exciting is, I will show you. If you look at the top of the screen, under the line of credit, it says £297.03. That's how much I've invested. So if you take into consideration, I've invested just under £300, and in one day I've made £10.22. You can start to understand why I am actually excited, and why this is actually very exciting. And I've only started 13 days ago. So as you can see at the top of the screen, the profit in total over the course of 13 days was £44.36. Now you can start to understand this is actually incredibly exciting, and it has incredible potential. And the other thing that makes it extremely exciting is the fact that this is running in the background. So you set this up once, you let it run in the background, you get on with your day, get on with your life, and then you can check to see how it's doing whenever you want. And that's it. You don't need to have any understanding or previous experience with Forex trading, and that's why this is extremely exciting. So the reason why I wanted to share this tonight is because the creators of this system, they have run an offer. I took advantage of this offer, and I am extremely grateful that I did, because as you can see, I am getting results with this, with such a small investment. So I've left a link in the description for the offer that they are still running. They have stopped it, and they decided to start the offer again, but they're only going to run it up until Christmas, I believe, Christmas Day, 25th. So if you do want to find out more and see other people's results, because frankly, compared to theirs, mine is very humble. Some people have made a lot of money. I'm talking £125 a day. I think the highest I've seen was $2,600, if I'm not mistaken, a week. So yes, it all depends on how much money you have and are willing to invest in this. I wanted to be very cautious, including not just with the amount of money I've invested, but also with the settings that I've chosen. I've chosen the most conservative, lowest risk possible, because obviously I have zero understanding of how this works. So I want to risk my money as little as possible, but obviously take advantage and still make profit out of it. Yes, do make sure to check out the link. I'll leave in the description, like I said, and if you do want to jump in, go right ahead. It is absolutely incredible. I highly recommend it, and I will make sure to come back and share profits for the next few days and months to come. And also I'm looking to share other people's profits, because theirs are extremely exciting. It still puzzles me as to how much money some people can make. So yes, do stay tuned, and I will make sure to post videos shortly.